Hello, Will. My name is Eduardo. Once again, thank you for answering the phone. As you can see, it's a brand new front turret. The rear is almost new. This motorcycle has a lot of accessories, engine guards, highway pegs, light bars, lots of chrome in this one, saddlebags and the top box. As I mentioned to you, 71,151 kilometers, and the price is $888.88 plus the existing license, fully safety certified. It looks like you could buy extended warranty based on my tag, but tomorrow I reconfirm with my assistant inside. Has a nice pocket too on the tank and also behind the windshield. As you could see, bike is very clean. Has a nice pipes, and it's available. That's the most important. If you need more assistance or more information, please give me a call. Phone number 905-660-2901 and extension 209, and I'm very happy to assist you. Thank you.